actually suck the solder away in doing this, because the solder will just cause it to melt right in there. Basically let gravity do its thing. With just the soldering iron, this one here, you're putting heat at a very specific point, so the solder flows right to the hottest point. With this, the heat's all the way around. It goes right into the contact. Not just the contact, but the pad, so it has no choice but to basically let gravity take over. Which ironically is more along the lines of how a machine will solder. You put all that heat around it, solder goes down right between the heat, which I think works a little bit better. Some of this. When you have a couple here, you go, I need a little bit more solder on because of this. And if all I had to start doing it this way, because this goddamn gel crap that's been on some of these boards. It's not Wednesday, is it? It's Tuesday. I think today's Tuesday. No, it is Wednesday. Oh, Schnapple. I'm missing Ghost Hunters. Yeah, if anybody watches this show, let me know. It's pretty nice. A lot of that just flowed down into there. I should probably should pick this up with two hands. Oh yeah. And that one pin that doesn't have the pad on it, it's kind of flowing right behind there. That's good. That's good because it's going to help me just get that to go on there. It's beautiful, beautiful when sometimes a plan comes together. But yeah, the Ghost Hunters. If you ever want a good show to watch about ghosts, that's them. It comes on the Sci-Fi Channel. They're the only ones I think actually debunk properly without going, that's a ghost. And it's just a freaking piece of dust flying by the screen. They don't believe in that orbs nonsense. Pretty much anytime you see one of those orbs on the screen, nobody ever reacts to them. It's just And you have an orb go right across their face. You're like, see, that's an orb, but nobody reacted to it. And ghost hunters are just like, there's no such thing. It just doesn't happen. You know? Get a little bit more solder on that side. Problem is, there's no pad for it to stick to. It's just going to go straight through. A little bit of a pad that is there. I'm trying to connect it to. And the camera's still keeping up the track. Did that one guy ever say anything in chat? Nope. Does it surprise me in any way that he didn't? Nope. So, got that on there. Where's my viewer? Let's take a good look at this side and make sure we got some fancy dancy soldering. Nice and smooth as ice. Love to know what the hell that gel is. If I didn't use that eraser, it'd be far, far worse. I see some cracks on that one, but it's at the top. And this on the side, it's doesn't have a pad on it, so it's not like I can do much about it. And if I did, it probably won't have much of a positive impact.